Guys, I need to tell you one thing. Last night, I have got emotional. We have some intense rain happening. Hi guys, this is Isha Shroksha and today I am doing my travel vlog and I am on my way to this beautiful scenic place. We are doing a staycation in a rented villa and this is the view towards going to it. Isn't this beautiful? And we have reached our villa and apparently this is the villa in middle of literally nowhere, guys, and he's trying to make the second one, I guess, and this is our villa. Let's go inside. I think this is the back part, and wow, look at this, so beautiful. And the blocks are a little uncomfortable, but yeah. And this is the view, guys. Let's enter. Come on in. So guys, this is the living area. And now we'll take you to the bedroom. There are 3 bedrooms in this villa and this is the first one. Wow, it's quite cozy. And there is an attached bathroom to this. Wow, big enough. Then let's go to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Let me switch on the lights for you guys. This is the second one. They have a little cupboard here as well, which is fancy. That's nice. It's a big enough room. And here's the third bedroom. All the bedrooms look the same. And these bedrooms have a common bathroom which is right here. So they have like 2 bathrooms. Next, now we open up to the open balcony area, which is amazing. Wow, this is so cool. I mean, look at this, there's so much of greenery around. Wow, I like this one. And now let's go to the upper section. And this is the upper section. Now let's go. Wow, guys, this place is actually massive. Look at this. Here's a little seating for your food, your lunch. There's a little kitchen in there. So guys, this is the outside area, which is the best thing about the property. There are bar tables and you can up in here. There's little seating, a pool on the terrace and an insane view. I love this place. I mean, look at the entrance. I'm obviously obsessed over how the entrance like walks you through the whole garden and then gives in an entry. enjoyed the tour of this property. I'm here for a day of staycation with my family and just the close internal family, 6 of us. And this villa has 3 BHKs and 3 bathrooms. It comes with a massive hall. It also has a pool, which is super exciting because I loved how the pool is placed on the top and there is absolutely open area around it. And it's just priced at 15,000 rupees. Won't say it's too expensive, not say too less. But the place is really beautiful. I loved the whole scenario where there is no one around. It's just us, which is very important because these days when we go for a staycation, what happens is you rent a bungalow, but there are thousands of other bungalows around you. So, you know, there's no privacy kind of a place. So that's something I really liked about this place. And let me know what did you guys like about the video on the comment section. And would you like to see more of villas or properties 5 stars? I will definitely try and visit more places and show you guys. Hey guys, excuse my puffy eyes please. It's because of the last night and a little bit of hangover. And yeah, about the property is really nice. I won't say it's 100% of course, but at the price he's giving, I think the villa is beautiful. The water, I was in the water the whole night. Like I was in the water till 5 in the morning. I absolutely love how chilled it got. And there's no one around, you know, it's like privacy and plus open nature. Guys, I need to tell you one thing. Last night, I have got emotional. I mean, I don't know how fair it is to say that, but for me at least it was a special moment. I saw something blinking like light in front of me. And I was wondering, what is it? I'm telling my husband that something, is that a camera or something is weird happening out there. When I got close there, it was a jugno, a firefly. Oh god, it was blinking, guys. Like I'm very scared of insects, very scared. Like I can shout out loud when I see that, but I don't know what happened to me. I took it in my hand and I was seeing there's a little triangle-ish thing in the top and it was blinking, guys. I mean, what was that? It was amazing. That feeling of holding it in my hand and something blinking was so beautiful. I absolutely loved this project. And this is the side area of the project. And I really think it was amazing, guys. I mean, at this price point, great. And plus, I give it a full marks for the view. And because they have an agricultural land in the front, so there are only chances of very small projects coming in there. Like small tent house or houses, or like farmer's house or something. And he's also trying to create a second one in there. That's going to be a little different than the first one. So yeah, and he's also just showing us around and planning to have more bungalows around. But yes, I say this property was definitely a thumbs up. View 100%, definitely. You don't have anything around for eating. You need to go far off, or they have some numbers they share to give you restaurant food. They come and deliver it to you. There's also a mama who helps you and also does dinner at special request, so we can try that as well. And yeah, I think the property's done a great job. Let's say a final goodbye to this property. And yeah, please guys, if you like the video, please do like, subscribe, share and comment. And look, these beautiful flies in here. Look at the butterflies, they look so cute.